Samantala sa kaugnay pa ring balita, inaasahang uunlad pa ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas at mga bansang kasapi sa ASEAN. Ito'y dahil sa nakatakdang pagdalungan ni Pangulong Aquino sa ASEAN Summit sa Myanmar simula ngayong araw. Narito ang report ni Rocky Ignacio.
Binigyang halaga ng Pilipinas ang paglahok ni Pangulong Aquino sa 24th ASEAN Summit sa Naypyidaw, Myanmar. Philippine Ambassador to Myanmar napapanahon ang taunang pulong para sa nagkakaisang pagtugon sa mahalagang usapin katulad ng maritime security at pagpapalakas ng kalakalan sa rehiyon.
As we move towards a more integrated ASEAN, it is important for the Philippines to create awareness on the country's priorities in the region, such as maritime security and the need to focus on the region on micro, small, and medium enterprises, among others. The 24th ASEAN Summit provides a venue for the President to do that. President Aquino's participation to the 24th ASEAN Summit highlights the country's support for Myanmar's ASEAN chairmanship.
Marami kasing oportunidad na nabubuksan na naghahatid ng kapakinabangan sa Pilipinas. Kabilang anya dito ang mabuting resulta ng Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro sa BIMP-IAGA.
I believe BIMP-IAGA is one venue for the Philippines to realize the goals of the Comprehensive Agreement on Bangsamoro to promote lasting peace and sustainable development in Southern Philippines through the promotion of enhanced connectivity and the facilitation of trade and investment between Southern Philippines and Palawan, Brunei Darussalam, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
Samantala, asahan pa rin anya ang pagtibay pa ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at Myanmar. Kabilang na dito ang pagpapatibay ng Air Services Agreement ng dalawang bansa para sa pagkakaroon ng direct flights.
It is worth noting that the exchange of high-level visits has fast-tracked air talks between the Philippines and Myanmar. On 19 to 20 May this year, Philippine and Myanmar aviation officials will discuss in Yangon the air services agreement between the two countries, which may result in the first direct flights between the Philippines and Myanmar.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Naypyidaw, Myanmar.